Hi Libra, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 6th of June. Now before I go ahead with the video, I just want to call out and say that I'm really sorry I was not able to go ahead and make videos in the month of May properly because I had 3 deaths in my family because of the COVID situation that we have in India. However, things have now improved a little, and with that I'm trying to get back and ensure that all your videos come out on time. So I really hope you understand the situation, and that's something that I just wanted to call out and let you guys know, because I received a lot of messages, I received a lot of people trying to check what happened with the videos, so just wanted to call that out. Okay, now without wasting a lot of your time, let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see here is the Queen of Swords. The next one that I have is the Eight of Pentacles, and the third one is the Eight of Wands. Your person has the Moon card, the Star card, followed by the Eight of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Lovers card, so it is either a Gemini that you are dealing with, or somebody with whom you feel or believe that there is a past life connection there. Okay, now what I see for you here is you have the Queen of Swords energy. Okay, with the Queen of Swords energy, you will not take any BS. That's the energy that you are in, and you understand that in order to build a relationship, honesty is a foundation. Okay, that's one thing that you cannot go ahead and take for granted. So that's one thing you are expecting. You also understand that a lot of effort will be required to build this relationship with the Eight of Pentacles there, so a lot of hard work needs to be put in, and there is some sort of communication that either you will go ahead and give to your person, or that's coming towards you. Okay, so you can expect maybe a phone call or some kind of a message. Either it could be digital or it could be in the form of somebody coming to your house, but there's some communication that is coming in. Okay, now for your person, I see that they have the Moon card. With the Moon energy, there's something that is hidden. That's when the Moon card comes, and it shows that something that is being done in the dark. Okay, so there may be some secret that this person needs to go ahead and tell you. What I also see is that this person eventually has realized that you are what they want. Okay, that's your wish fulfillment. With this Star card, that's like a wish getting fulfilled. Okay, and that could also be an Aquarius that you have around you, but this person has realized that if they continue to be in this Moon energy, either you will walk away, or if this is something that is happening to them, they will walk away. Okay, so somebody will realize that even though the other person is their wish fulfillment, if there are things which are kept in the dark, then that's something that they will not go ahead and accept, and they will walk away in a totally different direction. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is again the Lovers card. Okay, so if you remember, at the bottom of the deck we also had the Lovers card. So with that, it means that this person definitely has a lot of love and feelings for you. The other one that I see here is the Tower card. With the Tower energy, if there is something that is unsaid, okay, there is something which is dishonest, then that will come crumbling down, because when the Tower energy hits in, it doesn't give you the time to prepare. Okay, it's like an emergency that happens, and when it happens, okay, there is no warning that you get that there's something that is going to happen. Okay, so this energy is something that is coming really soon for either you or your person. The other thing that I see here is the Knight of Swords. So with the Tower card and the Knight of Swords, it definitely means that something that will rush in, something that will come really fast. Okay, it could be a communication, it could be anything. Okay, and it will just walk away, so you'll not even realize what happened to you when this thing happens. Okay, now let's quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Indocyanite Tektite. The crystal message is: have you been noticing that things seem to happen unexpectedly? Are old injuries coming back to be reviewed? It is time to dissipate the emotional charges, attachment and expectations as you heal those around you and essentially the planet. Be in the place of allowing and enjoy life. And the message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.